Vedic Maths is an ancient system of mental calculations based on the Atharva Ved. It is an outcome of pioneering work by late Swami Sri Bharti Krishna Tirthji, who has rediscovered and reorganized the techniques in the form of 16 sutras called word formulae to solve all the problems in arithmetic, algebra, geometry, calculus, conics, and so on.